What you see on your screen right now are multiple people taking advantage of making money online. Doing what? Liking YouTube videos. But is it really possible to create a side hustle and create earning potential like this? Before we take a deeper dive in, understand nothing is accomplished without taking initiative, and understand results may vary. That's my disclaimer. Now let's get on to the video. So, what do you need to do? You'll need to follow these 3 exact steps in the video, otherwise you may not get the same results. Now, don't forget to stick around to the end of the video because I've got some special things I want to share with you that will be a real game changer. Your 3 steps are as follows. Number 1, I'm going to walk you through step by step what it takes to get paid for liking videos. Number 2, I'll share with you 2 other sites that can help you earn more. After all, that's why you're here, right? And at number 3, I'll show you what it takes to create a 4-figure income daily when it comes to building an online presence. Make sure you have one of 2 things when getting set up, and that is a PayPal account, or you can set up a bank account. If you set up your payment plan through your bank account, you can easily find your routing number on a blank check. You see an example here, the placement of each. On the far left, you'll have the routing number, and the account number is in the middle. Establish this in the beginning of your start. If you're wondering if it makes a difference according to the country you reside in, whether or not you can try this method out that we're talking about today, the answer is you can do this from anywhere in the world. So, the simple task of liking a video and earning from that is exciting, right? And if you agree, be sure to like this video. Now, as far as when you get paid, understand you have to earn $9 first. Once you earn that, that's when you're in the game. I'll walk you through how to get your first $9 in under 10 minutes. The first site here I want to show you is microworkers.com. This is a great site, but as we are mentioning this site, remember when the jobs run out, you're going to need the 2 backup sites. I'll tell you about them, so stay tuned. Not only are they similar, but they'll pay you even more. But start here with microworkers.com. You could tell by the name Microworkers, these are small jobs or tasks needed by people like you to do and get paid. Little jobs can start to add up after a while, so don't be discouraged. Logging into the site, this is what you'll see. There are various jobs according to the tab. But you'll notice the video/music sharing platforms tab. Click on that to get to your YouTube tasks. The task should take you less than 30 seconds to do. Focus on the higher paying jobs, and in the example you see a $4 job there. But even at 50 cents or 60 cents a job, it's worth doing, especially since you really want to familiarize yourself with this site. Here's a closer look into these specific jobs. First one deals with Loom and YouTube timestamps. The third one is a search, watch, and like. You can see job after job, and in the case you want to look at other jobs besides tasks related to YouTube, there are other things as well. We won't get into that, but just know it's limitless. Let's show you how to find the highest paying jobs in here. While on the home page, just click most paying and you're there. They may ask you to write something. They may ask you to download something. They may ask you to sign up for something. Maybe a screenshot is involved. The amount of time it takes you to do these could be less than making a cup of coffee for yourself. So now you've got a window into these microworker jobs, but you're looking for more. Well, your next step is to go over to the other sites, like these. In order to make $100 every day, the next site we're going to show you is PicoWorkers. There is a similarity to microworkers, but if you look them up, there's been a bit of a change. If you put in PicoWorkers, you'll come upon this site called SproutGigs.com. You can easily head to the highest paying tab to find out whatever is available. It's an easy site to use, and you'll find some of the layout has a Fiverr feel to it. As of September 2022, PicoWorkers was rebranded as Sprout Gigs. That was after introducing gigs to the platform. RapidWorkers is the third one I would recommend. Just head to rapidworkers.com. Now, you've got 3 sites that you can work with to continually do jobs. When one is not working out or offering as many jobs or tasks you're looking for, head to the next site and vice versa. Just know opportunity awaits with every click, watch, share, or whatever the task. Now, we're at the stage in the video where I want to share with you a better way. a better way strategy to creating streams of revenue, and that is in YouTube monetization. If you haven't considered it yet, create a YouTube channel without ever having to show your face. These are considered cash cow channels. You'll need some stock video, good scripting, and background music. It's just like the one you're watching right now. If you need a jump start in getting your YouTube channel monetized, be sure to check out our videos in the description box. And if you have any questions about monetization, we'd love to answer them for you, so be sure to share them in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.